FutureTrend channel is glad to welcome all of our subscribers, and for the date of 13th of December 2018 we are ready to present our point of view of how to trade major currencies and world financial markets for the short-term period. As regarding current situation, of course, probably the most volatile pair remains sterling dollar, and the cable also made a kind of strong rebound yesterday. So also yesterday the pair was quite volatile. Let's see the chart of the cable from yesterday. After the pair renewed the lows around 124.77 during previous trading session, the pair made a kind of nice rebound around two big figures. That was because of no confidence vote from the part of conservatives in favor of, in that case it was a confidence vote in favor of existing Prime Minister Theresa May. So we see that Theresa May still have a support from their owner party, but at the same time, from the results of the ballot, we saw that she's still losing a kind of stronger support in the entire British Parliament for approval of its draft of Brexit deal, and that's why now Theresa May is once again in Europe trying to make some kind of concessions, and only in that case, in case of some changes to the existing draft of the Brexit deal and some kind of concessions from the part of the European Union in favor of Britain, only then probably the British Parliament can finally approve the document, and in that case for sure we could see a much stronger rebound from the part of British pound. At the same time, in case of disapproval, in case of the British Parliament still does not want to approve current document, current Brexit deal, in that case we even could see a chaotic kind of withdrawal of the Britain from the European Union, and of course without such kind of agreement the Britain will put into much deeper recession, and in that case we could see much lower levels in the price of the sterling. As regarding some other currencies, we see that euro dollar at the moment is trading around 113.64, and the rebound we witnessed from the lows of previous two trading sessions. The lows was printed around 113.05, and at the same time we should understand there is its own problems for the European economy, and probably during today's European Central Bank meeting, the Mario Draghi, the president of ECB, will express such kind of let's say such kind of words, will express some concerns regarding the state of the European economy and right now, and of course it should delay the fast increase from the part of the ECB even for the longer term period, for the longer term date. And probably there are some participants who wanted to see a fast increase in the benchmark interest rate from the part of the ECB till the departure of the current president Mario Draghi, till he finally ends its term as a president of the ECB. As I remember, it's 2nd of October when ECB President Mario Draghi will have its final kind of meeting in the ECB as a president of this bank, the major financial institution of the European Union. And of course, if we see such kind of concerns regarding the state of the European economy, regarding the problems with the Italian budget or roots in France, of course it does not bode well for the euro itself, and for sure it could take the euro currency some lower from current levels. We anyway suggest that probably not lower than our stop loss on existing long position in the currency, that's at the moment located around 112.95. Dollar yen, despite of the overall risk aversion situation connected with cable, for example with the British currency, there are some others. Anyway, we see the dollar yen still remains quite strong, and in doing so, probably next level to watch in the currency, in the dollar yen, located around current immediate kind of downtrend line that's located around 113.90, but also there is highs of this year located at 114.55, 114.5, still remains a kind of strong resistance for the dollar yen, and we will use an opportunity of retesting of this level to add to our existing short position in the currency. The same applies probably for the dollar Swiss. Dollar Swiss at 99.37 at the moment is looking really very stable. Don't forget, today we have a central national bank of Switzerland meeting, and probably it could be a non-event. Anyway, some members of the SNB could express its concerns regarding the strength of the Swiss franc right now, and if so, we could see there probably more pressure to the upside in the currency. But anyway, let's see the final results of this meeting. As regarding some other pairs, for those looking how we trade in the euro crosses, here it is. We still missing any kind of positions here because of real stability in this kind of pairs. Probably one exclude in the form of the euro sterling. And analysis of commodity currencies, here it is. We still keep our long trade recommendation in the Oz and in the Kiwi, and still expect that sooner or later the current rebound in these currencies could continue. And as regarding dollar ruble is looking really very stable, and it's really very unusual for the Russian ruble. Probably let's see the charts in the Russian ruble against the dollar and against the euro. Let's start from the euro ruble. Here is a kind of supports around 75, as well as more stronger support around 74, the lows of the year. Probably not of the year, but the lows of October, which was registered around around 74. While above that line, we still expect that sooner or later euro ruble could make a kind of another testing to the upside. But okay, from a longer term point of view, once again we suggest that Russian ruble is probably most undervalued currency at the moment. And regarding dollar ruble, as you could see, there is an uptrend line in the currency. There is stronger support around 66 as well as 65, and while above 65, like in euro ruble, 74, 65 is a kind of pivotal support for the euro ruble right now, which you could see as a buying opportunity with the stop below. Take care, bye bye for now. It was your Future Trend channel.